Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up an accessible drop-down menu in React step by step clearly. To set up an accessible drop-down menu in React, begin by creating a new React component. Import the necessary libraries, including React and useState from React. Define your functional component and initialize a state to manage the drop-down's open and closed state. Create a button element to serve as the drop-down toggle. Attach an on-click event handler to the button that toggles the drop-down's open state. Render a list of options that will be displayed when the drop-down is open. Use the state variable to conditionally render the drop-down menu. Wrap the drop-down options in a div and style it for visibility. Ensure each option is a button or an interactive element to enhance accessibility. Add ARIA attributes to your drop-down button and menu for better screen reader support. Use the ARIA expanded attribute on the button to indicate if the drop-down is open. Inside the drop-down menu, apply the role attribute as menu for better semantics. For each option in the drop-down, use the role attribute as menu item. Add keyboard accessibility by listening for the enter key to toggle the drop-down. Implement the useEffect hook to handle closing the drop-down when clicking outside. Use a ref to track the drop-down menu and button for outside click detection. Test the drop-down in various browsers to ensure consistent behavior. Finally, add appropriate styling to make the drop-down visually appealing and easy to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.